Negative 15 times 7. Of course, this is multiplication because we've got the raised dot. All right, first step is to simply multiply 15 times 7. Now, I don't know about you, but I can't do that I don't know that one off the top of my head. So I'm going to do it off to the side. So 15 times 7. 5 times 7 is 35. 1 times 7 is 7, plus 3 is 10. So 15 times 7 is 105. Now we need to look at the signs. We've got 15 is negative and the 7 is positive. So since we have different signs, the answer is going to be negative. So negative 15 times 7 is negative 105.